Myself, Purvitha from first year CSD. Startup company Trimac. Product present name Iron Box. Product proposed name EcoPress. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Wireless iron box, small in size and automatic heat sensor. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Iron Box, futuristic product name EcoPress. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, wireless iron box using solar radiation. Second one, automatic heat sensor according to cloth material. Wireless, smaller size and without using switch. And last one, for portable mini iron box for travel. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.